We'll just act like that never happened. Looks like there's no damage to the front bumper. I didn't think about these hitting the bumper, these pieces. But anyway, in this video I wanted to do a few things to the Mercedes. I wanted to take off the front bumper and try to install the fog lights. And then I wanted to paint these trims, and I also wanted to replace the thermostat because the car doesn't get warm at all and it's summer outside, so I'm gonna replace thermostat. And then I also got a used AC condenser I'm gonna throw in here as well because my old one is leaking and the AC is not working now. So yeah, a couple things. I'm gonna get started by taking off the front bumper first. So now that I got the front bumper off, I'm gonna drain the coolant. There's a little screw right here. You just unscrew it. It'll drain all your coolant out. So I'm gonna do that right now. So while that's draining, I'm gonna start removing this radiator support and this cross frame and slowly unhooking everything. So there we go, radiator, condenser, fans, everything out. How the car's looking. Thermostat sits right here. So I'm gonna pop these off, get the thermostat out of there, and then I'll start working on taking off the AC condenser. Is there no thermostat in here? No, there's no way. Because that's the water pump. Yeah, there's literally no thermostat in here. No wonder my car never warmed up. That's crazy. No thermostat, wow. Life hack for your car to never warm up, never overheat, just put no thermostat. Cool. So yeah, as you can see, car had no thermostat in it. Awesome, it's great. But anyway, I got a new one ordered. I'm gonna start removing all of this and replacing the AC condenser. So everything is off. Fans, shield. This is the new condenser I got from eBay. New. It's a used one, and new AC condensers go for like $400 for this car. So I decided to risk it and buy a used one off eBay. It says it's in good working condition, so hopefully everything's fine with it. I'm gonna clean all that up and slap this on there and put it back in the car. So there we go, new AC condenser is on. Now I'm gonna throw it back into the car. So I'm an idiot. I got this thermostat from FCP Euro. I open it, and this is what I see. And I'm confused because I thought they sent me the wrong part, but usually FCP Euro is really good with parts and they send the right thing. So I start looking at my engine bay, and I realized that this isn't where the thermostat goes. This is supposed to be empty. The thermostat is right here. Right here, you can see it's the same shape and everything. You just replace this whole thing, and that's the thermostat. So, yeah, I'm an idiot. This thing does have a thermostat. It's just not working good. Probably stuck open. So, I'm gonna unbolt this and replace it. Okay, so I got it out, and this was probably the worst, most annoying thermostat job I've ever done. If you can't tell by this hose, it wouldn't come out, and the bolt on the bottom corner right there, that bolt is impossible to get to. Everything is in the way. The dipstick's in the way, this thing is in the way, the hose was in the way, but I managed to get it out. Now I gotta put it all back in. Wish me luck. Yeah, got everything hooked up, thermostat is in, filled the coolant up. No leaks so far. I'm gonna get it started and make sure it doesn't leak anywhere. Then I'm gonna take it out, probably go for a test drive, make sure everything's working properly. No leaks so far. I think we should be good. For a drive, I just got out and it's already hitting temperature, so thermostat was definitely the issue. I'm glad that fixed it. Took it for another little drive. It's right at temperature. I am a little low on coolant though, so I'm gonna have to top that off when I get back, but I'm really happy that it's sitting at temperature perfectly. So yeah, so car's back in the shop or in my garage. I'm glad I fixed that issue, detailed it a little bit. This color still looks pretty insane. It looks crazy in the sunlight, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped maybe someone. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.